Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Nichols, and today we're going to be playing a game called Teardown. And I've already started this game, so I already completed the first 3 missions, but my audio in the first recording was really messed up, so I'm just not even going to worry about uploading that. So we're going to go ahead and finish the rest of the game off. I got the sledgehammer, spray can, extinguisher, and blowtorch so far. So I'm not very far in, but let's just get into the next mission. Making space. Okay, what's the mission? Got 2 required and 1 optional. So I gotta get that. Can get that. Then I have to get these over here. So we'll go over here and get this one real quick. Cause it's right over here. Can I drive the boat? Sadly, no. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's this last house on the end right here. It is. Now let's start breaking this shit. So this is all this game is. It's just basically demolishing stuff. There we go. It's just basically demolishing stuff and making it level with the earth. Is there, hold on real quick. Is there any valuable stuff? Anything valuable? No. Oh wait, can I use the blowtorch on this? Oh, gotta use the blowtorch to get all the metal. Makes sense. Oh shit, the house is on fire. Oh god, that's not good. Oh god. Oh god. What have I done? I gotta get this shit in the water quick. Fire alert! No, they're gonna see it. Get in the water. Stop messing around. Come on. There's a pillar over here. There we go, I saved myself. Okay, I got that one. Now we have to get this big building. It's all the way over here. I wonder if I have to worry about anybody like catching me. I know they could possibly see the fire, but I don't think there's any like NPCs that I gotta worry about. Thank you. Any values? Nope. Oh, I have to dump this in the water. Oh, I see. That's the target. Okay, come on. Come on. It's getting there. Come on. There we go. Okay, here we are at the escape boat. Let's get going. Let's go. Continue. I see what we gotta do. We just gotta prep all these. Come on. Okay. Open this one up. Can I just open it? No. Okay, we opened that one up. Please tell me we have enough. Oh, this one's just openable. Okay. Then we'll probably have to cut this one. Oh no. It's also openable. Okay, but there is one in here somewhere. It's right here. Also, this one's on a truck, so I have an idea. Okay. We're just gonna drive this one as close as we can to the other one. Okay. Cut that corner pretty well. Okay. Let's go get this one off this boat real quick. And then we can get that one. And bada bing, bada boom. We complete the mission. Here we are. Gotta turn the fucking boat around. Park it right here like we did. Okay. Okay, let's do it. Oh, get out of my way, you stupid door. There's one. Go, 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 go. There's two. Let's get out of here. We did it! Let's go. And I think we got a new tool. Shotgun. Excuse me? Okay. Also, yes, let's upgrade my tools real quick. Because I have 1K in cash. Blowtorch, definitely needed. Spray can. I don't really use that. We'll use the rest on the shotgun. Okay, there we go. thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.